my name is Michelle Howell and I'm with the Proof Positive group. This video we will be going over the features and benefits of color themes. Microsoft has gone through a lot of trouble to build color schemes or themes that have 6 accent colors as well as background colors, text colors, etc. And this allows you to very easily have a predefined set of colors that can be applied whenever you use any of Microsoft's default features. So for example, if you were going to create a piece of smart art, you would just go to Insert, Smart Art, choose this piece of smart art that you would like. I've already done that for us. And here you would see that we have accent colors 2 through 6. Accent color 1 is not represented in this particular color set that I chose. But if you wanted to change your color set or the variations within your smart art, you would simply double click on your smart art. There's a change colors option. Now this option is driven off of your predefined color theme. That's why it is so important to either choose a color theme that Microsoft has predefined for you that best meets your needs, or to create a custom. So as you go through, you'll be able to see that there are many different options. So for example, here we will just choose accent 1, which is our accent level 1 with the various shades of that color. So you see that right there. And again, heading level 1, heading 1 through 4 are also part of the color theme. So in the color theme on heading 1, it is position 5. On headings 2 through 4, I have assigned it as position 1 of accent 1. So whenever you change your color theme, it will change anything that is associated with that color. So for example, our charts and graphs, those are also pre-built by Microsoft. So you would just again go to your Insert, Chart, choose the chart type that you like. From there, it would automatically put in a default. Again, you can, double click, and then you have all of these options available to you. So as you go over, there are several here. I happen to choose this one, but if we wanted to choose something else, we could certainly do that. So we can come over to Style 6, for example, and we'll see it's just gradients of the same color. And then we can come down to tables, same thing. So there are several ways to insert tables and create tables, make custom tables, etc. I'll be going over that in a separate video. But you would simply double click on your table once you have inserted it, and you get your design tab. With that, hit your drop down, and you'll see that there are many different options. If you look down here, you'll see the table changing as we hover over. That does not happen with your charts and graphs. It does happen with the smart art from time to time, and it always happens with your tables. So you'll see that it does change as we go through, and we can see many different options here. So just for consistency, I think we'll go with the blue again, since we're just going with the blue theme here. So now you'll see that we have all of these here. We have our heading levels. They're all tied to some level of accent 1. It could be accent 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, whatever you choose. I'm just doing accent 1 just for demonstration purposes. So now let's say that we decided that we have multiple departments and we want to change our theme because we're working in a subdivision of the company, or we've decided to change our color theme altogether because we've rebranded our business. Well, this could be a very arduous task if you had to do everything manually, but because you can just update your theme set and then apply your drop down, we can just do this. This is just another sample that I have provided. So as we come here, we will see that we automatically have changed our colors. Now here, this is set up differently because this one is set up as an accent color 1. But if we chose a different accent color, for example here, accent color 4, this is accent color 4, as is this, then they all show up as accent color 4. And then if we were to switch back, it would be Then we can show the full version, so 2 through 6 versus 2 through 6 with my color set. We'll also see here that heading 1, when we modify that and go into the properties, it's still position 5, it's still accent color 1, but it uses the new color palette. Now, this has benefit beyond creating just new. An additional benefit of this would be if you are taking documents from other sources. Say you had old documents and you've done your rebranding. Well, you simply bring in all of your information, all of your tables, your charts, your graphs, and you would simply drop them in and it would automatically switch to the new color theme that you have assigned to this template, or that you have temporarily assigned through a drop down. This will also help if you're creating a new document. Say, for example, you're working with several coworkers and they may not be as savvy as you, and they don't know how to work with all these different functions, but they do know how to insert tables and charts and graphs and things of that nature, but they're doing it in just a plain document. They can do that, not a problem. They create it, they can send it over to you, you drop it in, it automatically picks up your color schemes and does all the formatting for you. So in summary, that is the importance of using color themes and the features and benefits of using them. Thank you for your time.